In this video, you'll learn how to create an eBay seller account in the United States. By following these steps, you will be able to set up your account and start selling on eBay efficiently. Begin by visiting ebay.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, locate the register button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on this button to start the registration process. A new page will appear, prompting you to enter your email address, name, and a password of your choice. It is essential to select United States as your country from the drop-down menu. After filling in the required fields, proceed to submit your information. After submitting your registration details, you will receive an email from eBay. It is crucial to verify your email address promptly to complete the registration process. Check your inbox for the verification email and follow the instructions within it. Ensuring your contact details are accurate is important, as this information will be used for communication and account recovery. Next, navigate to the Seller Hub on eBay. You can find this by logging into your newly created account and selecting the option to start selling. During this process, you may be required to provide your social security number or employer identification number, especially if you plan to sell as a business. Linking a valid US2 bank account is necessary for receiving payouts from your sales. Additionally, you will need to add a valid phone number for account verification purposes. Once you have linked your bank account and provided the necessary identification, you will need to complete the identity verification steps. eBay may request additional information to confirm your identity. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure that all required information is submitted accurately. Completing this step is vital for maintaining the security. After successfully verifying your identity, you can set up your seller profile and payment preferences. This includes choosing shipping options for your products within the United States. It is important to review eBay's seller policies carefully to understand your responsibilities as a seller. Once you've completed these steps, you can start listing your products. Make sure to monitor your seller dashboard regularly to track your sales performance and maintain good metrics. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.